answer. Pad and also, as you wish. Pad also write neatly, I will check it out while going. If you don't write, I will beat. As you wish. At last. Give the numbering. At last. Bad luck. Better luck next time. Bother it. Bother it. బాధే బోధరగా మారింది. Bother it. Bother it. బాధే బోధరగా మారింది. Boy, am I angry? Boy, am I angry? Breakfast in bed. Breakfast in bed. Brush it off. Brush it off when it gets dry. Brush it off when it gets dry. Clean it with your handkerchief. Clean it with your handkerchief. Clean it with your handkerchief. Clean it yourself. Clean it yourself. Clean my shoes. Clean my shoes. Clear up this mess. Clear up this mess. Come at 5 o'clock for the tuition. Come at 5 o'clock for the tuition. Come here. Compound it. Compound it. Cook it in butter. Cook it in butter. Adverbial particles are there. Up, down. Those are the adverb particles. Cover up your legs. Here up is the adverb particle. Write down. Up is the adverb particle. Cut the corners OFF off. And that is also adverb particle. Cut the corners off. Cut the corners off. Off is adverb particle. Underline it and write it down. OFF off is the adverb particles. So it means chinna mukka adverb. Extra doing work. Cut the string. Do as you are told. చెప్పినట్లుగా నీకు చెప్పినట్లుగా చెయ్యి. Do as you are told. Passive as that is. You are told is you are told by somebody to do something. That is passive. Do as you are told. నీకు చెప్పినట్లుగా చెయ్యి. Do be quiet. Do is auxiliary. Be is main verb here. Do be quiet. Write down. Underline it under. Do is auxiliary helping verb. Be is main verb. Be means undu. I have told number of times the meaning of be. Do it again. Marla cheyandi. Do up your buttons. Do up your buttons. Buttons will be able do up your buttons. Use it day to day life. Do it your buttons up. Do up your buttons. Do your buttons up. That is the second. Do your buttons up. Don't put your elbow on the table. Elbow means this is elbow. Don't put your elbow on the table. Don't sit on my bed. Don't speak until you are spoken to. Don't speak until you are spoken to. నీతో మాట్లాడేందుకు నువ్వు మాట్లాడవు కదా. Don't speak. You are spoken means that is passive voice. Don't speak until you are spoken to. To is preposition here. To preposition has come end. Don't spit it on the carpet. Don't spit it on the carpet. Don't spit it on the carpet. Don't stand there doing nothing. Don't stand there doing nothing. ఏమి చేయకుండా అక్కడ నుంచోవద్దు. Don't stand there doing nothing. Use it daily. Don't stand there doing nothing. Don't try to be funny. They don't try to be funny. All you have to put exclamation marks at the end of the sentence. Don't try to be funny. After to, be is the V1. After to, that is infinitive. To infinite. To be is to infinitive. Write down. To be is underline it. To be is to infinitive. After to, V1 will come. That is the grammar here. Don't wipe your dirty fingers on the tablecloth. Don't wipe. Don't wipe your dirty fingers on the table. Don't wipe your dirty fingers on the table. On the tablecloth. Drink up your tea. Drink up your tea. అంటే తాగు అంటాం. తాగేసే అనేదానికి డ్రింక్ అప్. డ్రింక్ అనేది తాగు అంటాం. డ్రింక్ అప్ అంటే తాగేసే అంటాం కదా. డ్రింక్ అప్ యువర్ టీ. Up is your here adverb particle, right? Up is UP up is adverb particle, right? No. Up is here adverb particle. Underline it. Eat it up. Eat it and తినమంటాం. Eat it up అంటే తినేసే. Why do you late? Eat it up. You have to use by knowing the sense. Eat up your dinner. Eat up your dinner. Up is adverb particle here. P-A-R-T-I-C-L-E. Adverb particle means small piece. Next, enchanting. Enchanting means chorusly you will have to speak something. Enchanting. Enchanting the song of God. Enchanting. That is by using claps. Enchanting. Fancy going out in this weather. Fancy going out in this weather. Fancy going out in this weather. Fancy going, F-A-N-C-Y. Fancy Linda leaving. Fancy Linda leaving. Linda is name. Fancy liking rice pudding. Rice pudding means
Exclamatory mark.
Exclamatory mark. You will sentence as exclamatory mark. Fancy Ravi applies. Fancy Ravi applying. చాలా బాగుంది. Ravi applying చేయడం చాలా బాగుంది. Fancy Ravi applying. Fancy trying it that way. Fancy trying that way. N-C-Y. Fancy trying it that way. Fine goings on. Fine goings on. You say you use fine number of times. Fine's going on. You will have to add that. Next, fold it in half. Fold it in half. Half ga madavandi ani. Fold it in half. Fold it in half. For God's sake, stop that awful row. For God's sake, stop that awful row. Get your right. Drop చేయించుకోమని. Get your haircut. Get your haircut. Get your haircut. Cut is V1. Get your haircut. Have your haircut also same meaning. Have your haircut. అంటే somebody does something. Next, give me another. Godness only knows. Godness. దేవతకే తెలుసు. Godness only knows. Have a cup of tea. కప్పు కాఫీ తీసుకో. Have a cup of tea. Have a cup of tea. Have another one. In place of coffee or tea, have another one. ఇంకోటి తీసుకో. Have another one. Have the house painted white. Have the house painted white. White గా ఉండేట్టుగా house paint చేయమని. Have the house painted white. He doesn't like dogs. He doesn't like dogs. Write down. I will check it all the sentences. He doesn't like dogs. He told me to mind my business. He told me to mind my business. He told me to mind my own business. నీ పని నువ్వు చూసుకోమని. He won't give it to me. He won't. We will not అనమాట. That is, he won't give it to me. He is married at last. ఆఖరి పెళ్లి చేసుకున్నాడు. He is married at last. He is married at last. He is such a nice boy. He is such a nice boy. He is such a nice boy. Heavens, yes. Heavens. Sargam. H-E-A-V-E-N. Heavens, yes. Hide it by its neck. Hide it by its neck. Hide it, దాయని. Hide it by its neck. నెక్ పట్టుకొని దాచిపెట్టాను దాన్ని. మెడ పట్టుకొని దాచిపెట్టాను. Hold it round the middle. Hold it round the middle. Write down. Hold it round the middle. సెంటర్లో రౌండ్ వచ్చేట్టుగా పట్టుకోమని. I bought the whole set for 6 rupees. I bought the whole set for 6 rupees. I couldn't understand a word. 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 I didn't see you. I didn't see you. Didn't. I didn't see you. I haven't been here before. I haven't been. B-E and been. You should pronounce it bin. I haven't been here before. I haven't been here before. Been, don't say been. Bin, that is pronunciation. I am not late today. I am not late today. I would love to come. I would love to come. I have been punched on the nose. I have been punched on the nose. నా ముక్కు మీద కొట్టారు. I have been punched. పంచ్ ఇచ్చారు. ముక్కు మీద పంచ్. This is punch. I have been punched on the nose. నా ముక్కు మీద కొట్టారు. I have been punched on the nose. I burned myself. I burned myself. నేనే రగిలిపోయా అంటాం కదా. రగిలిపోయాను నేను. అది I have burned myself. I have cut myself. I have cut myself. Is very very important. Use it. I have cut myself. నేను కోసుకున్నా అంటానికి చెప్పాలి అది. I have cut myself. నేనే కోసుకున్నాను అది. I have had enough of this. I have had enough of this. చాలు ఇదంతా. enough of this అంటే చాలు. I have had. Have had. Had is third person. Write down. Have first have is auxiliary verb. I have right V1 auxiliary. Second had is V3. I have had present perfect answer, that is. I have had enough of it. I plus have first V1 had V3 enough of this. All. Next one. If only he had enough money. And there is చాలా సొమ్ము ఉంది. If he had only enough money. చాలా సొమ్ము ఉంది. Right? If he had only enough money. If he only had enough money. If only he works hard. అతను అక్కడే గట్టిగా చేస్తాడు. If only he works hard. If only he works. If only he works hard. A little hard labor. Harder. If only he would agree. If only he would agree. Number of times I use this pattern daily. If only he would agree. If only he would listen to me. If only he would listen to me. If only he had stopped talking. If only he had stopped talking. After stop talking is the gerund. Write down. Talking. Stop is even and talking is gerund. If only he had stopped talking. If only he had stopped talking and do something. If only my birthday would come. If only my birthday would come. If only she didn't shout. If only ఆమె మాత్రమే అరవలేదు. If only she didn't shout. ఆమె మాత్రమే అరవలేదు. If only she didn't talk so much. If only use it to ఆ ఒక్కటే కాదు అందరూ మాట్లాడారు. If only she didn't talk so much. If only you should use ఆ మాత్రమే కదా అంటే అది. If only she didn't talk so much. Very very important these phrases. This sentence, use it in day to day. If only she didn't talk so much. Next, if only she hadn't said that. If only she hadn't said that. Said, say, said. Sayings is 5 forms. If only she knew how much. If only she knew how much I loved her. If only she knew how much I loved her. If only she tried that way. If only she tried it that way. If only she tried it that way. If only the rain would stop. If only the rain would stop. If only you had asked me earlier. You మాత్రమే అడిగేవారు. If only you had asked me earlier. If only you had asked me earlier. It wasn't me. నేను కాదు. It wasn't me. నేను అయ్యా. It wasn't me. It's a most peculiar thing. Just my luck. Just throw the rubbish out of the window. Just throw the rubbish out of the window. Look out for the baby for her. Look out for the baby for her. Look where you are going. Look where you are going. Look where you are going. Right down. Many happy returns of the day. You are using this. Many happy returns of the day. Mind the steps. Mind the steps. Most kind of you. Most kind of you. Never heard of him. ఎప్పుడైనా ఆయన గురించి never heard of him. heard of him. Never heard of such nonsense. Never heard of such nonsense. No wonder he didn't want it to. No wonder he didn't want it to. No wonder. No wonder he didn't want it to. And nothing of the sort. Short S-O-R-T. Nothing of the sort. ఆ విధంగా లేదని. Of all the stupid things to say. Of all the stupid things to say in the tuition. మొత్తం అన్ని stupid things అని ట్యూషన్ అని మాట్లాడుతూ ఉంటారు. Of all the stupid things to say. చెప్పాలంటే అన్ని stupid things అని. Oh, you clumsy thing. You clumsy, C-L-U-M-G-Y. అంటే మురికేని. Oh, you clumsy thing. చెత్త అని. Oh, you clumsy thing. Breaking that window. Comma, breaking that window. Oh, you clumsy thing, breaking that window. Oh, you are a nuisance. Oh, you are a nuisance. Next, pay at once. Pay at once. Take some time, write down. It will be